friends, welcome to my storytelling world. I am Manmay and I am here to take you on a magical adventure, fun, journey and exciting story. So get ready to listen, imagine and enjoy. Ted and the Red Net. Ted has a red net. He gets a pet. The pet is a hen. The hen is in the net. The hen is not glad. Ted sets the hen free. The hen is happy. It hops and pecks. Ted smiles. Moral of the story is kindness makes everyone happy. Thank you for listening to my story today. If you like it, don't forget to give thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next story. Bye for now.